Next up, we're going to meet some very talented Shetland ponies.
That's right, Adam. You're going to be taking on those painting ponies in a challenge.
Let's do this.
This is Tico, a Shetland pony, also known as, oh, I need to be careful saying this one, Shet Van Gogh. Tico and Adam, you have 2 minutes to complete your paintings. Ready? Pet. Go!
Okay.
Tico, go! Tico, go!
Oh,
Wow.
Tico, he's fast. Hang on, what is he licking? Does he have a treat? That's not fair. I need a treat.
Go, Tico, go!
Demi, you're going to be so impressed.
Go, Tico!
I've never done a better piece of art than this. This is fantastic.
That's your opinion. 30 more seconds.
Come on, I'm nearly there. I'm nearly there.
And time's up. Right, Adam,
Yes,
what is this?
you have to guess.
Can I say it?
Yeah,
Looks like poop.
it's a pony. Pony.
That's supposed to be Tico.
Yes, Tico. Look, it's like looking in the mirror.
Tico, can we see your painting? Oh, look at this. This is absolutely divine. I want this in my kitchen.
Do you want this in your kitchen?
No, I might have that in the bathroom.
How and why did he get into painting?
Tico, at a very young age, had a habit of head shaking.
Oh, he's doing it right now, look.
Yeah. And then one of our lead volunteers, Aoife, saw a video on TikTok, and she was the first to try the idea for a Christmas gift for Karen from the horses. Wow. And after Karen saw the idea, she tweaked it and refined it to what Tico now does.
Wow, that is incredible.
And I seen that there was something on the canvas to encourage Tico to paint. What is it that he's licking away at?
It's a vitamin gel. It's apple flavour. So
Okay.
it's just encouraging him to stay focused on the canvas.
Where was my vitamin gel?
I mean, you had hands
Yeah,
and you came up with that.
Who does he help with the paintings?
We have 7 miniature therapy ponies. They help all ages from young to the elderly. We would go into nursing homes and would do paintings for patients with dementia.
Right.
The children would come down and do art sessions at the barn.
Do they get to keep their
Yes,
paintings?
they
Oh,
do.
that's so nice.
They get to keep their paintings. And their paintings have actually gone all over the world.
You have a lot to thank Tico for then.
Yes.
Well
We
done,
do.
Tico. He's like, yes, thank you, yes.
And then how do you help out with the organisation?
Usually I help mark out their pen, help make their food, I lie down their new bed and give them their favourite time of the day, their treats. So yeah, they're just so loving and caring and talented, like Tico, who can paint, and you can teach them so many wonderful skills.
Well, guys, thank you so much. They are incredible ponies, and I wish you all the best of luck.